What are 5 tips for pursuing a career in the music industry that I think are extremely important? Number 1, be prepared to go the long haul. This basically means that you set yourself up with some comfortable side hustle gig that can pay the bills while you're trying to pursue your career in music. If you don't do this, you guys, you're not going to last very long, and you're going to come across as being very desperate and needy, and that is just the wrong vibe, okay? Number 2 would be actually to diversify yourself as a musician. This way, the side hustle gig you do doesn't have to be digging ditches. It could be teaching drum lessons like I did, or it could be playing on cruise ships in the harbor of Boston like I did. And the best part about that, you guys, is my hands were moving and I was still developing as an artist while I was taking care of myself and still working with my band to try to make it, to reach that dream. Okay, you guys, so diverse yourself as a musician. Number 3 would be to attract attention of those that can help you by first helping yourself. This basically means that you have to roll up your sleeves, you have to get to work, and you have to get the momentum going, and don't expect anybody to come knock on your door and say, hey, your ship has come in, because that's not going to happen. Nobody is coming to save you, guys. So roll up your sleeves and attract the attention of those that can help you by first helping yourself. Step number 4 would be create the clique of the future. That basically means that instead of trying to break in to these high level cliques above you, you actually look around at the musicians that are up and coming around you, and you form solid relationships with them, because these people in the future are going to lead to all kinds of work for you. I can't tell you how often I run into musicians that basically were around me when I was up and coming, and now they're in really, really big situations, and they call you for work and so on and so forth. So set yourself up in that way by creating a clique of the future. Okay, you guys? And then finally, step number 5 would be to remember why you started to play music. This is extremely important because you love music, and that's why you started, because it brings your life meaning, it brings your life passion, it keeps you busy, it keeps you focused. Stay with that, because there's going to be a lot of up and downs in the music industry, and it could be enough to crush your soul. So you have to remember why you started and hold on to that. My name is Bobby Borg, helping musicians turn their art into a more successful business. Be sure to check out the next video. Peace, love, later. What are 5 tips I think you need to be successful in music? Go the long haul, diversify, attract attention, create the clique of the future, and remember why you started. Right?
Right?